man, for raffle tickets. Man, long in the motherfucker. Right. It's a motherfucking mile long line. She said 1 to 7. Them folks like they ain't even trying to open the door. YouTube, what's up, man? Back with another unboxing from a recent Jordan release. Probably the best Jordan release of 2019, the most anticipated Jordan of 2019. You all seen my vlog rant and the line that I stood in. This is actually my 4th pair touching. And you can see this pair came from Nike. My wife actually hit on Nike sneakers app the morning of for her size. So I'm reviewing her size. But I have a size 13. And I had a size 11 and a size 11 and a half. I sold the size 11 and a half on release day. Right after I picked it up. Sold it to someone standing in the line. And the 11, I actually alley-hooped it to my friend in Florida that wasn't able to get his size online. He kept getting errors. So I actually sold it to him for retail plus shipping and sent it to him in Florida. But without further ado, let's get to it. Nike box, just do it tape. And as Mike Rich say, I'm opening it up with these hands. They double take this. Alright, Nike. Y'all trying to make sure nobody got in this box, huh? There we go. Of course, open it upside down. Box over there. And here it is. The Nike box. And it's a 10 and a half. And it's the Air Jordan 11 Retro. Got the card. Got tissue paper. And here we have it. Air Jordan 11 BREDs. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I love these shoes, man. So me and my wife got shoes together. You know, we like some of the same shoes. So she had to get up here. I know what y'all saying. Wifey got big feet. She wear a 10 and a half in men. But hey, she not a little woman. So hey, that's all I can say. So every time we get J's, I have to try to hit on 2 men pairs if she like them. No GS for the son. But he didn't care for these. So, but yeah, here it is. BRED 11s. The red bottoms. Carbon fiber. And there you go.